Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video is a super cute, super easy, quick, glueless wig install sponsored by ILIKEHAIR. We mean quick, easy, and glueless, honey, okay? This wig came pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached, pre-styled, all the things. So if you want the details to this unit, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. See you in a few. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never want myself. Okay, let's get right into it. So, like I said earlier, we are working with ILIKEHAIR today. It's been a minute since we worked with them, but this company honestly has really cute hair. Last time I got away from them, it was also a bob. B-O-B, so they call me bob. And I'm excited for another one because I am officially a bob girly myself, like with my natural hair. And so sometimes I do like a wig that just, it's like a more realistic version of what I got going on under here. You feel me? You feel me? Let's take a look. I'm also getting ready to go out with my family and I need to be ready by 1:30. It is currently 1:10. A glueless wig is going to be very, very useful right now. So, unboxing. They gave me some scalp tape. I think this one would be the best shade for me. This is really cool, actually. But they have 3 shades that they include. And yeah, I think this one is the best match for sure. Of course, they included some wig caps and of course an ILIKEHAIR wig band. Let's get into like the cap construction because this was my favorite part when they pitched this wig to me. It looks so comfortable. First of all, this material right here is so freaking soft and it's like stretchy, which is great, but like it's not this itchy material that's usually on wig bands. Like it's very soft, very malleable, so when this is around your ear, it's not going to be itchy, it's not going to hurt because there's no like hard seams or anything. Like just take a look at that. So there's not going to be any hard seams pressing up against the skin behind your ear. This right here is kind of like a laser cut, like it's almost like a mesh silicone fabric type of feel. Very comfortable, minimal stitching, love that. This is the lace space that they have provided for the wig, and I love that they included a cap so I can show you like really what this wig looks like underneath all the hair. But that's the lace space, so it's a nice closure, and then you can see how breathable the cap is. Like it's literally sheer and stretchy. This wig is all about comfort. Best part about this wig is that instead of the bra strap wig band, like adjustable type of thing that's usually in the back of wigs, they have this Velcro that you can adjust to your sizing. So like if your head is on the larger side, you would kind of put it right here, right? That's going to be large. Medium, you probably put it right about here. If your head is small, and this is such a game changer for the small head girlies, honey, because the wig be too big every time. If your head is small, you can put that all, just show you, you can take this Velcro, stretch it around your head and put it all the way on the end. That way the cap is at its smallest. Like, love that. And it doesn't budge. So I'm definitely excited to try this wig out. We gonna see what's tea. And that'll be that. Okay, the time is now 1:14. Gotta get a move on. Here is the actual wig. It's giving body, stiff wear. Again, she's a bob. You have this beautiful closure right here, and it's already pretty much skin tone, which is great. So that's it up against my hand. Pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-styled, pre-bleached, all things. The hair, super fine, great quality. I am taking the combs out. Another tidbit, they're removable. I'm taking the combs out because I don't have braids. My hair is just pulled back into like a little bun right now. So I don't need the clips. And then, of course, like I showed you on the model wig cap, we have that Velcro right there. Now I can just really customize the wig to the size of my head. This is just one wig, all sizes. Let's put her on.
gosh! She's bald! She's bald and she's torturing people who have hair!
I'm hoping this will be quick and easy. As you can see, I already have my wig cap on. I'm thirsty to get this on my head. I'm just gonna put her right on. Pull her down. Okay, this is the wig without me doing any adjustments. As you can see, the lace is already pretty melted. Like, we're looking pretty good just starting off. I'm gonna adjust this because it's like right now on the biggest size, and I'm gonna adjust it to the size of my head. Babe, hey, thanks. I love this Velcro. Oh my god, this is a game changer. Sometimes the brush up adjustable like wig band doesn't even stay on other wigs. Like, it'll loosen throughout the day. This is secure. Like, this is not moving. And that's especially important with the glueless wig because you don't need it flying off your head, right? Okay. But as you can see, super secure. Yeah, like this already looks so good. So we're gonna get our hot comb out and we're just gonna lay the hump, and I think that'll be it, to be completely honest, because there's literally nothing else for me to do. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my hot comb to heat up, I'm gonna give you the details that they sent over to me. Just simple info about the wig. So the color is 1B natural black, which I love. That is, I think, honestly pretty close to my hair color, if not my hair color, but it's definitely the hair color that I always choose when buying wigs. 1B. The length is 10 inches, and this lace size right here is a 6.5 by 5 inch closure. Of course, as you can see, this is HD lace. Like, find it, honey. This is 100% virgin human hair. I absolutely believe them. This is so soft. Like, I can't even feel it when I'm putting my hand in the wig. And then the adjustable cap size. This is what I was talking about earlier, that Velcro that I was showing you. This right here on the wig cap. This wig cap is 19 inches to 25 inches circumference. So this will fit most, if not all, head sizes. If you put this Velcro right on the tip, that is 25 inches around. If you put it all the way on the end, which is kind of where I have it, that's 19 inches. I'm pretty sure my head circumference is like 21 inches. So this is absolutely perfect for me. And I prefer this because there's no slipping. Like, this is very, very secure. I'll just show you guys what the Velcro looks like on my head, so you can see. This is it right here. Okay, this is the Velcro. And this is me attaching it. So like, even when it's on your head and installed, it's super easy to adjust. I think my hot comb is ready. So let's go ahead and get this done. The time is now 1:26, Jesus Christ. And just like that, she's done. Quick and easy install. This was so simple and it looks so natural. Look at this. But I'm telling y'all, completely glueless. And it's not going anywhere. I like hair. I think y'all did y'all thing with this one. Mina approved. Boop. If you guys want the details to this unit, as always, everything will be down below in my bio. Thank you so much to I Like Hair for sending me this unit. She's gorgeous. Not much more to say, honey, okay? It's absolutely perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching, as usual. You already know what I'm gonna say. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing y'all super cute content like this. Right there. I'll give you a couple seconds. The time is now 1:29. Just hit 1:30. We're out of here. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mina. Y'all have a good day. I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.